Hello, Michelle. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke with Jamie and I told her that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the New Look Home Design homepage. The site looks very well laid out and it looks very professional. However, as I scroll through, I'm not seeing a lot of content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did do a word counter search, and you currently have 346 words of original content. So I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. In addition to having enough content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. And so Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword right here is Alexandria VA roof replacement. This keyword brings in 720 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a small fraction of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. Beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads can be a really great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. They're also good when you want to promote a special offer or event that you have going on. They can also be a good fast leads option while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, they are not going to be your best long-term ROI. Beneath the ads, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Angie's List, HomeAdvisor, all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. So you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here, or any of the other businesses ranking in the map pack in areas that you serve. Be careful when you're entering your information into these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. Now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, will be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. In addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website, and you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local electrical company with a powerful site were to give you a backlink, that would be a really great way to bring more power to your site. Over here, I have hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me upwards of $300 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so here I typed in a competitor, Sunshine Contracting Corp. Right now they have 17,000 backlinks from 1,730 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 12,428 keywords. So you can actually take a closer look into these keywords. You want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords. And so here we'll list all the keywords they're ranking for, what position they hold for those keywords on Google, how much traffic it brings them every month, and how many people search for that keyword every single month. And so you can go through and see which ones that they're focusing on that are bringing them the best results. And you can also get ideas as to what other keywords you might want to incorporate into your content. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to do the same thing that I just did with the keywords to their backlinks. So they have 17,000 backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality as well. Not all backlinks are created equal, and some of them can actually hurt your site more than help. But here you can go through and see which ones have a high AS authority score. Click on all the best ones and see if you can have your website added to these different pages. Now you can go through these backlinks, go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on your own as well. So over here, I have typed in your website into SEMrush as well. Right now, you guys have 7,000 backlinks from 1,450 domains, and you are ranking organically for 6,103 keywords. So we can take a close look and see which keywords you're ranking for and how well you are ranking for them. And so as we can see, you're getting the most traffic from the ones with your own name, which does make sense. And you are ranking very well for a bunch of different keywords, but you really want to make sure and see that the keywords you are focusing on are bringing you in good high quality leads. You want to find those buyer intent keywords. And this is being ranked in the amount of traffic that it brings you. So the farther we go down, the lower the rankings are likely to be. You have quite a few to go through, so there are actually 44 pages. But you can go through and see which keywords are bringing the best results or which ones you would like to focus on more. I also suggest trying to stick to a lot of location specific keywords because those are going to have a really high buyer's intent. But I think that you could get rise in the ranks and bring more high quality traffic to your site if you incorporate the 3 things that I spoke about in this video into your online marketing plan. Which, to recap, number 1, more quality educational content, the right keywords. Number 2, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, you want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.